In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your PNC Bank password. Whether you've misplaced your credentials or simply want to reset them for security reasons, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step so that you can access your account without any hassle. First things first, you need to visit the official PNC Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.pnc.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the Sign On button. Go ahead and click on that to get started on your login journey. As the next page appears, you'll notice the login fields waiting for your input, but since you're here to recover or reset your password, look for the option just below these fields that says Forgot ID or Password. Click on this link to proceed. Now the system will ask if you know your user ID. Assuming you have that, select Yes and enter your user ID in the space provided. If you're unsure or have forgotten your user ID, you can follow the prompts for further assistance, but for now, let's assume you have it handy. Once you've clued in your user ID, you'll need to enter verification details. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity to the bank. Make sure you provide all the information requested accurately to avoid any hiccups. Next up, PNC will send a verification code to confirm that you are indeed you. This code can be sent via text message, a phone call, or an email depending on the contact information you have on file with the bank. Keep an eye on your phone or email inbox and enter the code promptly into the space provided on the website. With your identity verified, you've reached the exciting stage of creating a new password. It's important to choose a strong password for security reasons. I recommend mixing up uppercase and lowercase letters, adding in some numbers, and throwing in a few symbols for good measure. Once you are satisfied with your new password, confirm it and hit Save. Finally, it's time to put your new credentials to the test. Return to the login screen on the PNC website and enter your user ID along with the new password you've just created. You're all set and ready to manage your banking needs once again, and there you have it, a simple, effective way to recover or reset your PNC Bank password. Remember, keeping your password strong and confidential is key to ensuring your online security. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.